When a dealership joins the Live Ready ecosystem, we do not create dependency, we create self-sufficiency. That is the purpose of our Dean certification. Every Live Ready signature dealer elects at least one leader to become a certified Dean. This is not optional, it is a requirement. That person becomes your in-house authority, capable of teaching, coaching, and developing your entire team without needing us in the room. Your Dean preaches the same message, executes the same how-power process, holds the same standard, and they do it from inside of your organization every single day. Typically, this is a GM or a dealer principal or a senior leader who has the ability to teach others and the discipline to protect the standard. For a multi-rooftop group, you can certify a Dean at every location. Training does not fail because people do not care. It fails because there's no one on the inside of the building to reinforce it. Your Dean solves that problem. This is what separates the Live Ready Institute from every other training company. We're not asking you to rent our methodology. We ask you to own it. Your Dean replaces the dependency on the Live Ready Institute and builds the teaching culture where your best leadership develop the next generation.